Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find wallet address on KuCoin. So if you also want to find wallet address on KuCoin, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open KuCoin application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, I've already opened KuCoin application. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also, make sure your account is verified. If your account is not verified, you'll not be able to see the wallet address. At home interface, you'll be able to find several options. In order to find your KuCoin wallet address, what you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to deposit any kind of crypto, you'll be needing the wallet address. So in order to find the wallet address, first of all, what you have to do is select the crypto of your choice. You can see several cryptos over here. Simply tap on the crypto of your choice. Here I am going to tap on ETH. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your account. Since my account verification cannot be completed due to my reason, I'll not be able to do it. But I'll guide you through what to do. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, what you have to do is select the network. Simply tap on the network of your choice. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll be able to find the wallet address for that particular crypto. You can use that wallet address whenever you're trying to deposit that crypto from that network. If you change the network and crypto, the wallet address will also be changed. So that is how you find your KuCoin wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.